So what are some of the benefits of eating tamale fufu?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Ah, you are saying it's delicious. Give me that delicious. How delicious is it? Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me that. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Give me the zip. Welcome to another episode of the Street Food series. I'm still in Tamale. I'm enjoying the lot from Tamale, and if you look behind me right now, you can see a lot of wahala, a lot of good things happening, it's chaotic but yet energetic. So I find myself in another kitchen. I don't know much about this place like we always do. We have to inquire from the people that we do these videos with, and then they will tell us what we should expect, what they do here, and yes, but I'm interested in doing fufu today, the northern region fufu. If you come to Tamale and you don't try their food, you are missing out. They have a unique fufu, and their fufu style is different from what we have in the south. They use yam for their fufu, and I don't know what else they mix with it, but I would love to try that whole option and see, and I want you to come exploring with me together. So let's enjoy today's video, and come on. So this is where you found the food?
Yes.
Everything happens here?
Yes.
I mean guys, I'm sorry it's so loud right now, but like, this is what the food goes through before it's ready. We are pounding fufu in there, and I want you to come along. Pardon the noise, but they are using the fufu machine, fufu grinding machine, come on, fufu grinding machine to go through the whole process. So I just want to see what goes into it before it comes here for pounding. So come on.
Rabie kokuna be sambane.
Rabie kokuna be sambane.
Rabie kokuna be sambane.
Rabie kokuna be sambane.
Rabia tu bela tu kokuna be sambane.
Rabie kokuna be sambane.
Rabia tu bela tu kokuna be sambane.
Rabie kokuna be sambane.
Rabie Jumalala Rabie.
What are we going to do today?
Rabia tu bela tu kokuna be sambane.
So who's going to pound? This one. Sorry. Hey! Where was she put the thing?
No.
What she put in your mouth? I'll put it there.
Don't put it.
I should not put it in your mouth.
No. Chama.
Hey! Aha! Hey!
What are you actually?
Tonight I'll sleep, Papa.
Yeah. You drink energy drink.
I have to do energy drink.
Yes.
So at what point do you know that the food is ready?
Okay.
A bit too time, I'll be able to say I am ready.
This I have kakra.
I am kakra. A bit emra na said it.
Ebe emre kakra.
Ebe emre wo.
Sisi aka kakra.
So it's emra. Now I am ready. Okay. So you say I have to keep pounding so that it becomes soft, and then once it's soft, then it's ready for eating. So I'm dying already, but guys.
Small.
Small.
Yeah. It's already ready.
Small.
Small.
So what do you mean?
Hey, to chori melting
Get
ya
a- So this is cassava and yam.
Yeah.
It's not only yam. You add cassava to it. Oh, okay. But is there some people that only use yam?
Yeah.
And what is the difference?
If you use the yam alone, it cannot last for long.
Okay.
Because we are saying, so we have small cassava to it for it to stay long.
Okay. So does that mean that if I keep it till tomorrow, it will be still good?
No, you can't keep it for tomorrow, but it will take time for you so that the customers will enjoy it. But if you use the yam for some time, you can't eat it. It will go bad.
It will go bad. Oh, okay.
But the cassava lasts longer than the yam
Make it
alone.
longer. So you had it for yourself? they have to mix it with the cassava to make it last longer. What? It's okay. Hey, so I've been able to pound this. I did this.
Yes.
Am I a giant? Let me see my muscles. Yeah. I'm more than a giant. So from here, what next? Or just everything is ready for eating.
Yeah, it's ready for eating.
It's ready for eating.
That's a fun number.
So you pound it small, and then you start eating. But it's not easy.
It's not easy.
At this point, I want to faint. So are we done for the day?
Yes, yeah.
I am a man. I'm a brat.
We'll go and bring another one.
Oh, Jira.
Okay, all right. So what are some of the benefits of eating tamale fufu?
It's delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah.
You are saying it's delicious. Give me the delicious. How delicious is it?
So if you eat it, you feel it's very sweet and the soup too is very nice.
The soup is nice.
Especially if you get it with bra or
What, Ra?
bra
Bruh.
with small dry okra. You never regret coming to Tamale.
Hey! So you guys, you add brat to your
Yes.
soup and then what? Okra.
Bra is a soup prepared with leaves.
Okay. What kind of leaf is it?
It's granule soup with leaf,
Okay.
with fresh with granite.
Okay. Okay.
And the okra, the dry okra, you have small to it. It's very delicious to take with the fufu, the yam fufu,
Yes.
with the dry and small dry okra to it.
You add
You
it-
can also take it with rice soup, palm nut soup, and any type of soup. It's very delicious to take.
Very, very delicious.
Yeah.
And what time of the day do you guys take your food? Do you have special
We
time?
start around 12 and we end 8 in the night.
So if I eat the food at 8 o'clock, will I be fine?
Yeah.
I know that when some people they say when they eat food after 6, they get sick.
Yes. It depends on the way anybody like the food.
Right. So where are we again? Where is this?
Fatal bicycle,
Fatal bicycle.
Yeah.
And you guys do fufu.
fufu, banku, kenke, rice balls, cheese, indomie, fried rice.
Hey, it's like you guys you sell all the food.
Yes,
there.
all
Why-
the food. Any
Don't you want the other people to make money? Yeah. So okay, the thing is when you come here, they will have you sorted, guys. I'm sorry, I'm sweating, but like this is the kitchen, and you know what happens in the kitchen. You have to sweat, you know. So before I go, the essence of this video is to promote local food. Do you have any advice for our friends and family who are watching right now? Why they should eat local food, and when they come to Tamale, why they should come to your place?
local food is very delicious to take. For you to eat local food, it helps to build your immune system.
Okay.
Especially the bra, the ayoyo, the dawa and other stuff. It helps you to build your immune system. Even some doctors advise people to take more dawa
More dawa.
and the fresh reliefs.
Okay.
So if you come to Better Rice, you have all type of food. But
Go ahead, take your time. Don't worry, you're saying everything right. I'm enjoying it. That's what I'm listening to you. So give it to me, give me that yeah. Let's go. Give me the zero.
if you come to Better Rice, so
Yes.
we have all the local food.
All the local food.
Yes, we don't use even spices to do it.
Oh.
We use the lakadro,
Akadro,
garlic, and the onion. We blend this for you to make the food delicious. So if you are tasting it, it's like you are eating in your house.
Oh, homemade food at Fatal Bicycle Restaurant, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so how do we locate this place?
If you get to Tamale, it's located at Taxi Round.
Taxi round.
Yeah,
Tamale.
opposite Taxi Round.
Okay, just opposite the taxi round.
Yeah, beside the Quality Face.
What?
Quality Face. There's a shopping mall down there.
Okay. So when you get to Tamale roundabout, taxi rank, go out of the quality fix.
Quality face. It's just opposite quality
Just
face.
opposite quality fix.
In the same building with modern city.
Modern city. So when you get here, they have it sorted. Any type of local food you want, they have it for you. But before I go, you cook dawa dawa for me.
Okay.
Is that dawa dawa soup?
Yeah.
You have dawa dawa soup here.
Dawadawa is used to add to the ayoyo,
Okay.
bra, dry okra, kuka.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just something that we used to add it, and if you taste it tastes very nice.
Very, very nice then. Alright guys. So it has been amazing doing this episode. What's your name?
Alimatu.
Alimatu. Your name is like mention the name with pride, you know? What's your name again?
Alimatu.
Alimatu. Alimatu. Oh, come on, give it to me. Give it to me. So guys, it has been amazing doing this episode. Alimatu, she was helping me pound the food. I mean, she was doing the turning, you know, stirring the food here and there, and it came out nice. She said if you come to Tamale, you have to visit their place because they use organic, natural, local spices here. Not spices, is that spices? We call them spices.
Yeah, it's natural spice.
Nice natural spices for their food, and their food is very tasty. I tried it myself. I've enjoyed it. This is my fifth time in Tamale, and anytime I find myself in Tamale, I always want to visit this place. So I'm urging you to come patronize this service, and you will enjoy it. But until we see you in the next video, can we get a bye?
Rabie ko buna be samban